Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create WhatsApp stickers in just seconds, without needing any design skills or expensive apps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to stickermaker.app. It's a free online tool where you can easily make WhatsApp stickers using any image you like. You can also download the Sticker Maker app from the Play Store or App Store if you prefer working on your phone. Once you're on the site, click Create a new sticker pack. Give your pack a name, and add your creator name. This will appear when you send your stickers to friends. Now, click Add Sticker, and choose any photo from your gallery. Here's the fun part. The tool automatically removes the background, so your image looks clean and ready for WhatsApp. If it doesn't remove it perfectly, you can use the eraser tool to manually clean up the edges. It only takes a few seconds. After that, you can add text, emojis, or decorations to make your sticker stand out. For example, you can add funny captions, reaction words like LOL, or OMG, or even your face with different expressions. Once you're done, tap Save, and your sticker will be added to the pack. When you have at least 3 stickers, click Add to WhatsApp. The app will instantly transfer your new pack into your WhatsApp stickers section. Just open any chat, tap the emoji icon, then the sticker tab, and boom, your custom stickers are ready to send. It's that simple. You can create meme stickers, your own face stickers, or brand logos, all in under a minute. And the best part? You can update the same pack anytime and keep adding new designs without limits. If you want to get even more creative, try using AI image generators like Bing Image Creator or Canva's Magic Studio to design unique sticker ideas. Then just upload them to Sticker Maker, remove the background, and you've got professional-looking stickers instantly. So that's it, a quick and easy way to create WhatsApp stickers in seconds. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more short tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have fun making your own stickers. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.